Okay, Monday, April 12th, 2021, 9:10 a.m. calling Paul Patterson, 10th Judicial District Administrator.
Sorry.
Paul Patterson
Is not available. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Yeah, Paul Patterson, 10th Judicial District Administrator. This is Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. I'm being harassed by your Catherine Trevino and her obnoxious court reporter there. It's Monday, April 12th, 2021, 9:10 a.m., and I'm supposed to be in a Zoom hearing for a contested omnibus hearing for Luke Eugene Kozlowski, case number 13CR19987. Yet I keep on getting harassed with these messages for me to identify myself when my avatar clearly indicates that I'm Lion News Terry Nemmers. She repeatedly, knows, calls out my name, and magically, mysteriously, she can't figure out that I'm not on the roster. Well, obviously, I'm not on the roster, and I'm there to be a witness to these rigged court cases that you have. And I've been repeatedly harassed, and I don't appreciate it. You understand that? I want to be back in that Zoom hearing immediately. Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. Otherwise, you're going to provide me with a transcript at your cost. Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. Bye now. Okay, Monday, April 12th, 2021, 9:12 a.m. calling Chris Cunningham, Chisago Court Administrator.
calling the 10th Judicial District Court of Chisago County. Chisago County District Court is located at 313 North Main Street in Center City, Minnesota. Office hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Please listen carefully to the following options. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. If you are calling to pay a ticket or pay a fine, press 1 and you will be directed to the Minnesota Court Payment Center. If you are calling to find out if you need to report for jury duty, please press 2 or call 651-213-7011. This is a recorded line only and does not connect you to a live person. If you are calling regarding an adult or juvenile criminal traffic matter, press 3. If you are calling regarding a children in need of protection,
please wait while I transfer your call. Court Administration, how may I direct your call?
Yeah, who do I speak to? Is Chris Cunningham in the office today? I'm being harassed by one of your judges and her court reporter there, or clerk, or whoever it is.
Okay, one moment. Let me find out. Hold on just a second.
Thank you.
Her message says she's in a call right now. Can I take your information and have her give you a call back?
Well, I was booted out of a Zoom hearing for case number 13CR19987, Luke Eugene Kozlowski. It's going on right now. As I'm speaking to you, I'm missing the hearing because this person who's in charge of letting people into the Zoom hearing apparently can't read my avatar, which says Lion News, Terry Nemmers. And she keeps on wanting me to unmute so I can identify myself and tell her why I'm there. It's none of her business why I'm there. See, I'm there to witness what's going on. I've been repeatedly harassed by the 10th Judicial District and the 1st Judicial District judges. I go to other counties, they never even bother to, they don't even pay attention to me. You understand that? I don't like the harassment. You understand? See, I'm just there to be a witness. I don't need to be harassed and be booted out of a Zoom hearing that I'm minding my own business in. So my name is Terry, T as in Tom, E-R-R-Y, Nemmers, N as in Nancy, E, M as in Mary, M as in Mary, E-R-S. And my phone number is 320-283-5713. And I already left a message with Paul Patterson, the 10th Judicial District Administrator. And if you think I'm not going to file a complaint with the Board and Judicial Standards, you're sadly mistaken. You understand that? I'll file a complaint with the judge, the chief judge, and Paul Patterson. You understand?
I understand.
So I will put it in writing, and I'll post it on my blog for the world to see. So, because this isn't the first time I've been harassed, and I don't appreciate it at all. Now, I want to be back in that Zoom hearing immediately, or I want you to provide me a transcript of the hearing at your cost. Okay?
Well, did you? Why did you not respond as far as? I don't know what type of hearing that is, so I can't tell you.
It's a criminal case. I told you what the number was, 13CR19987. It's a contested omnibus hearing, which I told you at the very beginning. Okay? So the thing is,
I'm sorry, sir. You did not tell me it was a contested omnibus hearing, and I do have the case here. If it is a contested omnibus hearing, it would be up to the attorneys as to who could be in the courtroom. If you don't respond to them to tell them who
okay,
you are,
did I say it was an attorney? I said it was your court reporter. And my avatar clearly says Lion News. I've been there before. They know who I am. It's not like I'm someone who just dropped in out of the blue. You understand? See?
I understand that you're being extremely rude. And
no,
I talked to Judge
you're
Trevino
rude. Your operation is rude.
I'm not being rude to you, sir.
Well, obviously you're...
Reporters do not get a blanket... Oh, wow. I will let Judge Trevino know that you are angry that you were cut out of the Zoom hearing. And if you'd like to try again...
I did try again. I did try again.
Screaming.
I did. Oh, I'm not screaming. You are making me extremely upset because you keep on asking me. I told you I'm Lion News. Is the media allowed into these hearings or not?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Then if my avatar says Lion News, then it should be an understanding that I'm there to be a witness to the proceedings, correct?
What? Okay, sir. What is Lion News?
Well, it's someone who, like me, witnesses these hearings, and then what I do is I file a complaint with the Board of Judicial Standards if I see there's all sorts of things like what's going on right now happening. You understand? Which is why I have absolutely no problem signing my name to a complaint. See? You know who I am.
Don't talk down to me. I do not know who you are, sir.
No, I'm talking about...
I do understand.
I'm talking about your 1st Judicial District in the global sense. You know who I am because I've been to these Zoom hearings before. I was at Luke Kozlowski's last Zoom hearing. See? So, again, it's not like this is the first time I've been there. And this isn't the first time this has happened. Do you understand? That's why I am not happy. I'm extremely upset.
Okay, so today they haven't started the hearing as of yet, and it is a pretrial. It is not a contested omnibus.
Well, they said it was a contested omnibus at the last hearing. Do you understand that? Because I was at the last hearing. So I don't care what the thing says. So if it hasn't started, then I want to be in it now.
Then try to call back in.
I already see, you weren't listening. I already told you I did. And I'm in a Zoom hearing, so I'm not calling in. I'm logging in. And I did log in, and I'm still logged in, and I'm still not being allowed in. See? So all you need to do is...
If you're there for the Kozlowski hearing, and you were there at the last hearing, and they know you're there for Kozlowski, they haven't started the hearing yet.
Well, maybe I want to watch some of the other hearings because it said 9 a.m. Am I allowed to watch other hearings?
Am I allowed to find out whether that calendar has started yet for you?
You already said it hasn't started.
That hearing hasn't started. I don't know if they've started the calendar. Judge Trevino, this is her first day back. I don't know what she's got on this morning. If you'll hang on just a minute, I'll find out what the status of the calendar is.
Okay.
ignoring you. I'm trying to get you through to Chris Cunningham. They are done with the Kozlowski hearing. They've moved on to a different hearing at this point. I did get a chance to speak to the clerk, and she did say that it was because you would not identify yourself that you were removed from the hearing. So I have reached out to Chris. Now it looks like she's off her call.
Okay, well,
I'm not ignoring you. I just wanted to keep you up to date as to what's going on so you didn't feel like I was leaving you out of the loop.
okay, well, you told me that it hadn't started. Now you're telling me it's already over with. See, so...
It wasn't updated. It wasn't updated in the system, sir. I am sorry.
Well, again, you can see why I'm upset, because and then you admitted that I got booted for not identifying myself when my avatar clearly identifies me. You understand that?
What if she doesn't know what lion knew? I wouldn't know what lion knew.
Okay, what part of news? Okay, what is your definition of news?
Sir, do you know how many different tags and things?
Well, that's first of all, that's not my problem. The thing is, you were notified that it says Lion News. I've been there before. You understand that? See? So there's no excuse for you not to know why I'm there and what I'm doing or who I am. See? Because my name and title are clearly indicated. She clearly identified me as Terry Nemmers multiple times. See? So there's no excuse. She knew or should have known who I was, because I have a history of showing up for those hearings. And she knowingly and intentionally and willingly booted me out.
How many times did she ask you to identify yourself, sir?
What does that really matter? She could have asked me once or 50 times. The point is, she's harassing me because she has the information right in front of her face. She chooses to ignore it. Do you understand that? See, I told you, I go to other counties and they don't even pay attention to me. I'm just logged in because apparently they can read and understand English, because it's in English. Lion News, Terry Nemmers is in English.
Okay, now you are just being rude. Hang on just a second. Hang on, Mr. Nemmers. We're tracking her down.
Who? What was your name again?
Okay, the supervisor walked back in the office looking for her, and she physically can't find her at this moment. But I have your phone number, and she will give you a call back.
Okay, so first of all, what's your name?
My name is Candace.
Candace. What's your supervisor's name?
Vicky.
Vicky. Vicky is a supervisor. Vicky is a last name.
Yes, Vicky does have a last name.
Well, are you going to give me Vicky's last name? Because I want to speak to Vicky, because I don't appreciate, first of all, your false accusations against me, and second, your passive-aggressive behavior. So I'd like to speak to Vicky, please.
What false accusations and what passive-aggressive behavior?
Okay, I'm done speaking to you. Please put me to Vicky.
No, if you're accusing me of something, I'd like to know what I'm being charged with, because I have a right to defend myself.
Well, you can take that up with Vicky after I speak to Vicky, please.
Okay, Terry, I have your phone number, and Chris will be giving you
so you're not going to
back.
put me into Vicky. Well, then I'll just add that to the complaint then, too. Are you going to let me speak to Vicky or not?
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't say I wasn't transferring
It sure sounds like you're about ready to dump me off the phone.
You are twisting everything everybody says to you, and you're...
No, you have been extremely rude to me.
Bye. Hello, this is Vicky.
Vicky, this is Terry Nemmers. How you doing today?
Terry Nemmers? Good, I'm doing good. Yeah, I heard that you may have, or you did get kicked out of a hearing.
Yes, so I'm extremely upset, and then I was being mentally abused by your Candace there. She's falsely accusing me of being rude, which of course I wasn't. I'm being righteously indignant to the abusive behavior that I've repeatedly suffered from your 10th Judicial District court personnel. See? And then she falsely accused me of twisting things, and then, again, I didn't appreciate her passive-aggressive behavior to begin with. See?
Right.
So the thing is, I have been to Luke Eugene Kozlowski's hearings previously for case number 13CR19987. And that means that your judge, Catherine Trevino, and her court staff know or should know who I am. Clearly, my avatar, let me finish.
Okay.
My avatar clearly says Lion News. And it says Terry Nemmers in English. Okay? Because my name was called to me, I do believe 3 times. Okay? So obviously they chose to ignore the part that says Lion News. They could have easily said, Lion News, Terry Nemmers, what case are you here for? See, first of all, it's none of their business why I'm there. 2, they have the court calendar in front of them, so obviously they know that I'm not there for any court hearing as a defendant. Correct? So,
Well, not necessarily, because it becomes they're new. We're training.
well, okay. This is the thing. This has happened numerous times in the 10th Judicial District and the 1st Judicial District. I go out to the 7th Judicial District, and they don't even pay any attention to me at all.
Yeah.
They just let me in.
So,
And the thing is, I just mind my own business. I'm there to witness the proceedings.
yeah.
And that's the thing. I don't want to be harassed of who are you. Clearly, you were already given my name and my title. You understand? See, so there's no reason to identify me.
Can I speak now?
Yes.
So what I need to do, I need to email my staff and let them know it's not just your company. There's others there, and it's public hearing, and how they need to handle it. Just let them in, let them hear the hearing. That's it. I mean, we get to watch news, we get to Lion News. So I know the staff person that was in there, she probably just didn't know.
Well, I don't believe that for the again, this isn't the first time. You understand? See, this is a chronic occurrence in the 10th Judicial District and the 1st Judicial District. I go to the 7th Judicial District and they don't pay any attention to me. See? So it's not like it's a brand new person. I don't believe that at all. The thing is, you've hired someone who's completely not trained and can't fall back on their expensive. It can't. Well, how did they get hired? They must have had some sort of qualifications. They must have gone through some sort of training to get them.
Process to learn how to be in court.
Yeah. Well, then they forgot to read. They forgot to read up on Zoom hearings and how to treat the public.
What do you want me to do?
Well, first of all, I don't want to be harassed by any of the 10th Judicial Court staff ever again when I attend a Zoom hearing. The thing is, you obviously know who I am by my avatar. I've been there previously, so there's no reason for you to ask me why I'm there. You see? And I do believe that you owe me a transcript of the hearing because you willfully, knowingly, intentionally, and willfully booted me out of a Zoom hearing when you knew or should have known exactly who I was.
I got to talk to the other party. I'm not going to just listen to one side. I have to do my due diligence.
Well, that's fine. I have absolutely no problem with that at all. But the reality is this is something that's happened before. This isn't a new occurrence.
This is the first time I've heard it happen.
Well, I'm sure the thing is I don't call you up.
In Chisago.
I don't call you up and ask to speak to Vicky about my problems. I take them to Paul Patterson, the 10th Judicial District Administrator. I left a message with him prior to calling Chris Cunningham. See? I've been in communication with them previously.
Yeah. And then they would let me know if there was an issue. They would.
Well, I'm sure that they would.
So I'm going to talk to my boss. What I need from you, Mr. Nemmers, is your phone number so I can get a hold of you.
So Candace didn't write down my phone number like she said?
She may have, but she just transferred you to me. I didn't look at my emails. I wanted to make sure I was talking to you. So
okay, well,
give it to me, you can, or if you want me to rely on Candace.
No. I will gladly give it to you. I'm just making sure that you know that I've already given that information previously. Because the thing is, people are asking me, why didn't you identify myself repeatedly when I obviously identified myself by logging into the Zoom hearing? You understand that? See, so asking me questions you already know the answer to, it really upsets me. You understand that? So I will gladly give you my phone number. I will gladly give you my phone number, which is 320-283-5713. Correct.
Okay. All right. Well, let me speak with my boss and let her know what has happened and see how we're going to proceed. Because I do need to send something out to the staff to let them know to be aware of this media, and I have not done that.
Well, is there a administrative policy in dealing with the media that you can email me?
I would have to look and find out. I can ask Chris what that is.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll give you my email address. I will say it, then I will spell it, and then you can email it to me at later on today. So it's lionnews00@gmail.com. That's LIONNEWS 00@gmail.com. Okay.
I will get back to you, okay?
Thank you.
I just want to reach in with her.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Thank you.
Goodbye.